Welcome everybody, day 2 of another G.I. Joe week. It's gonna do another. This one's not as bad as Airborne was yesterday, but he's a little wobbly. He's wobbly enough where I want to change him. But this is the Flamethrower Trooper, codename Blowtorch, Timothy P. Hanrahan, born in Tampa, Florida. This one of those sort of like Flash and Sci-Fi, where he had all the connecting hoses and tubes and everything, and that sort of. He actually had one. You can see right there. He had a face mask that went from. It plugged into his suit. So I thought that was, a bit, despite the fact, in addition to him having being a flamethrower trooper, I thought that was really cool. Another worn out O-ring. I think, let's say it's not. Here's the one from yesterday, so it's not as bad. Get out of the way, maybe let's focus on them. Or not, but I say it's. I'm going in, so I might as well change it out. Let's see here. Oh, got to put his hips on. Pelvis, there you are. Snag you. And get you back in place. And make sure you get the right arm in the right place. Or the left arm in the right place, as the case may be. And his head. And that chest plate. That arm's not cooperating. Stay in there. Get him in. Okay, there he goes. He does not have the tilt head. I don't think any of mine this week do. I said yesterday, you go backwards until it clicks, so you're using the same grooves on your screws to save wear and tear on the plastics. And that is, he was wearing his helmet, so I know that's his. In addition to having the big notch on the side for all the gear. And I do not have his face mask or backpack or any of that stuff, or that I haven't found it yet anyway. But I thought, as a kid, I liked the color scheme. I liked the idea that I just thought flamethrowers were cool before I found out how horrendous weapons they were. And they are good for clearing areas, but using them on people was not cool. Obviously got some thermal protection for his, made him look a little chunkier, and the pads and everything. But that's all I got for old Blowtorch. So thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.